It is said that the mind is so fickle that if it is not under control, the person starts feeling restless. This restlessness is caused by hundreds of questions coming to the mind in a moment, and this restlessness remains until the person gets the answer to the questions running in the mind. In such a situations, it seems that it is very important to keep the mind calm. But the question arises that how can we calm the mind? According to Gautam Buddha, it is important to understand the mind to calm it. In this article, telling you the methods suggested by Gautam Buddha, which will make it easier to understand the mind, and we will be able to try to control it. This story of Gautam Buddha is related to knowing the mind. This is the first step. Once a person went to Gautam Buddha and asked, "What is the first step to control the mind?" Buddha says, "The first step to understand your mind is to see and understand the futility of the greed given by it. Actually, when the mind is partial, whatever work a person does excessively due to greed of his mind, he only incurs losses in it, and he experiences the loss only after the loss. For example, one who has really realized that addiction is only misery will start becoming free from addiction, whereas one who has realized that jealousy destroys oneself will become free from jealousy. This is the first step to understanding the mind. The second step to knowing the mind. The person asked the Buddha if the person knows from the first step that he is unhappy because of the temptation given by the mind. Then what is the second step? Buddha says to go in search for the second step. One has to go in search of a person who has already known his mind and is free from it. In fact, only such a person will be able to guide you. The third step to knowing the mind. The person sees, but how can we identify such a person? Buddha says this is the third step. Listening is the third step to understand one's mind. The person says, "Can't this be known by looking at it?" Buddha says, "A person may look very calm and good, but what is inside his mind can only be known from his words. But one should not believe in someone's words until it passes the test of your conscience." Fourth step to understand the mind. Gautam Buddha says the karma is the fourth step to understand the mind. To know yourself. It is necessary to work in the right direction, but while working a person makes two mistakes every time. The first mistake is not to start, and the second mistake is not to complete the journey. Our mind is behind both these mistakes. A person is not able to complete his work because he thinks that if I start tomorrow, then I will fail. The main reason for these mistakes is lack of awareness. Without this, the mind does not allow a person to move in the right direction. The fifth step to knowing the mind, Gautam Buddha says that the fifth step to knowing and understanding the mind is awareness. That is why do every work with awareness. Any work done or moment life without awareness is like death. The person asks Buddha, how can one increase his level of awareness? Buddha replied, with meditation. The sixth and final step to knowing the mind is meditation. Meditation is the final step to knowing, understanding and controlling the mind. That is, meditation is the boat on which one can cross the river of mind. The person who has understood the mind through these initial 5 steps has conquered his mind and gained control over it. I think so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. It is possible. यह संभव है. It is possible. यह संभव है. Are you crazy? पागल हो क्या? Are you crazy? पागल हो क्या? This is for you. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. यह तुम्हारे लिए है. How do you know? तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? तुम्हें कैसे पता? Calm down. शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. शांत हो जाओ. I will go there. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. I will go there. मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. At any cost. किसी कीमत पर. At any cost. किसी कीमत पर. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. मुझे बोलने दो. Do it again. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. इसे फिर से करो.